As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the Performance Series. One's the 4-burner, B07JZV24HV, and the other is the 3-burner, B0CW34MSMN. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I saw those. First things first, the 4-burner has a bigger cooking area, 475 square inches compared to the 3-burner's 375, so more burgers at once.
Definitely good for parties. And what about the heat output?
The 4-burner kicks out 36,000 BTUs, while the 3-burner is at 27,000, so a bit more oomph with the bigger one. Plus, it has a 10,000 BTU side burner.
Ah, a side burner is handy for sauces. The 3-burner doesn't have that, right?
Nope, no side burner on the 3-burner. But it does come with a grill brush, which is a nice bonus, and it has nylon bristles, so it's safer than metal wire brushes.
Good point. Safety first. Are the grates the same?
Both have porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention and easy cleaning.
What about size? The 4-burner seems bigger overall.
Yeah, the 4-burner is definitely larger. Dimensions are 25.8 DX 53.1 inches WX 45 inches H, and it weighs 85 pounds. I don't have the exact dimensions for the 3-burner, but it's smaller and lighter.
So, bigger grilling surface, more heat, side burner on the 4-burner. The 3-burner is smaller and includes a brush. What about the price?
The 4-burner is listed around $370, but the 3-burner is currently unavailable to buy, but they tend to be cheaper.
Okay, so if I'm grilling for a crowd often, the 4-burner might be the way to go. But if it's just for the family, the 3-burner could be enough, and it comes with the brush, and potentially save some money.
Exactly. Depends on your grilling needs and budget. Both are Char-Broil Performance Series, so you're getting a decent grill either way.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.